Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lock screen images not changing on Windows. So guys, if you are using Windows 10, 11 or any version and there is issue not changing lock screen images, so to fix it click on start, then type lock screen, click on lock screen settings. Now you will see background Windows Spotlight. So click here and select picture. Just you need to select picture. You can select these inbuilt pictures, or also you can select and use your own picture by browsing in your PC. So hopefully guys, by these simple and easy steps we can fix lock screen images not changing on Windows 10. Just you need to select background as picture. So like this video and comment if this video useful for you or not.